Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. So in today's video, we're doing a desk makeover. If you want to see more, stay tuned.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my
Welcome back,
groove now,
guys.
don't be
So I
shy.
recently converted to a work from home job and I needed to set up an office space like real quickly. So I went on Amazon and I found this desk here. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I know, don't judge me. Okay, so it's literally only one I could find, the only desk I could find online that was the perfect size and fit for this little corner in my bedroom because my desk is in my bedroom. Yeah, I don't have it like that to have an office of my own yet. Okay, so the desk is in my bedroom in a corner and I wanted to get it in white, but this particular style wasn't available in white, so I got it in gray. And I didn't even have a proper office chair. This chair is actually my vanity chair. So yeah, as you saw before, I have my picture frames already lined up as to how I want to set them on the wall. So that's taken care of already. I just need to put them up. But right now, I'm just removing everything from the desk so I can get started working. So what you need for this job, you need marble paper, a toolkit, and your desk, of course. I'll leave everything in the description box as to where I got these items. So right here, I'm just pointing out the different discrepancies that are on the desk as to why I decided to do the desk makeover. I searched on YouTube and I didn't see anyone making over the same desk. Well, not with marble paper actually. Most of the ones I saw, they were either spraying over the desk or painting it over, but I didn't want to do any of that. So I found these marble paper on Amazon and I just figured, like, you know what, I'm just gonna cover the desk. Now it's time to get to work. So now we're just pulling apart, our base just pulling apart the desk so we can start working on the surface areas. So first you want to remove the screws. Spray and wipe surface areas with a furniture cleaner and paper towel. Now you want to measure and cut out the size and length of the marble paper that's needed to cover the top layer of the desk. Now we're peeling off the sticky side of the marble paper and then we're just going to lay it down on top of the desk. I'm sorry you're not able to see this part more clearly, but you get the drift of it. Just ensure you have one end of the marble paper secured. Then that will free you up to focus on laying the paper more evenly. After you got it laid evenly, then you just want to tack down those edges and focus on smoothing out those lumps and bumps. You can use your fingers, or if you have a little piece of sponge, you can use that to help you smooth out the lumps and bumps. So for the corners, you just want to slit the edges like a triangle kind of shape, and then you're going to stick down the middle piece and then the two corner edges after. That's what we found that worked well with helping with the edges. Right here, the top layer is all done. It's completed. So now we're gonna go get started on the rest of it. So this is a finished product, guys. What do you think? Just leave a comment down below and tell us how we did. But I think we did a good job. I love the desk now even more. And best of all, I got it in the color that I wanted from beginning. Now it's time for the chair. A little unboxing for you guys. They did a pretty good job with the packaging of this product. If you like to get this product, I'll try to leave the link in my description box. So check out my description box. And FYI, this video is not sponsored, so you're welcome. Everything needed to assemble the chair pretty much came inside of the package, so you don't need to worry about anything there. So right here we have everything we need, but let's not forget the instructions. Please and thank you. So let's get started on the assembly. He's going to show you how to do that.
It's a grower, not a shower. That's better.
So this is the chair fully assembled, minus the pillow, of course. I didn't get to film everything because my battery died, but this is what it's looking like right now. Now we're just preparing the room to reinstall the desk, and we just use a couple cord ties to tidy up the cords right there, just to help them make them look a little bit neater. So before we could add all the decor and stuff, we had to reinstall the monitor, my monitor, and my laptop, and pretty much tried to just use we got some cable clips from Amazon, and that's what I use to help me organize the cords, because if you're like me, I really I was annoyed with seeing all the cords and cables hanging out everywhere. So I got some cable clips from Amazon, and that's what I use to help to organize the cords. And I pretty much made like a charging station right there, so I could have to charge my phones. So this is what the clips look like. If I can find the links, I'll leave them in my description. Don't mind the cords that you're seeing hanging at the back, is those are what I use. I kind of left those loose on purpose so I could pull the cord forward or backwards depending on usage. So if I'm not using it, I'll just pull them to the back just to get them out of the way. And right there, I'm just using one of the cable clips to pin down some of the wires in the back right there, so they're not too much visible from the front. Now I'm just adding a couple desk organizers. This one contains my notebook and my iPad. And this one right here is where I'll keep my sticky pads, pens, highlighters, paper clips, and any miscellaneous items. Now I'm just adding some pampas grass to the decor. And some artificial flowers just to spice it up a bit. If you can take care of real flowers, kudos to you. This right here is an acrylic headphone stand. I'm just gonna place this underneath my desk for some additional storage. This right here is my little candy jar. I know there's no candies in there right now, but that's what it is, okay? For when I'm at work and I feel like I need a little pick-me-up. And last but not least, I'm adding an office chair mat. Okay, so this is what it looked like before. And this is after. I'm really happy with how this turned out, guys. I'm so proud of myself. It's actually the first time we both were doing a project like this, and we're so happy about how it turned out. Now I have a place to store my headphones. I have a charging station for my phones and smartwatch, and everything just looks more neat. You know, everything has a place. So yeah, tell me what you think, guys. Tell me if you like it, if you love it, if you hate it. Just tell me what's up. Leave your comments in the description box. And I love it. I honestly do. I'm really surprised about how it turned out, and I'm so happy how it looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.